Shanghai Guanjun Gift Company Limited. We own silicone and soft PVC and printing workshops for 15 years. Manufacture and trade, integrated company customized all kinds of promotional gifts. Passed the ISO 9001 and CE Rose certification. The brand leader of promotional gifts. Shanghai Guanjun Gift Company Limited, founded in 1999, covers an area of 3,000 square meters, is a specialized promotional gifts manufacturer integrating design, production, and sale together. We have own design department, silicone workshop, soft PVC workshop, and printing workshop. Main products: silicone gifts, soft PVC gifts, printing gifts, printing and packaging. June 1999, engaged in silk screen printing process, etc. August 2001, imported one-color headboard 6mm print machine, which is mainly used in printing products such as specifications and documents. July 2003, imported full colors headboard 6mm print machine, which is mainly used in printing products such as color cards, greeting cards, and envelopes. August 2006, imported 4-folio colors headboard printing machine, which is mainly used in printing products such as gift bags. October 2007, purchased 6 vulcanizing machines, which are mainly used in making silicone products. September 2009, purchased 4 plastic dropping machines, which are mainly used in making soft PVC products. October 2011, imported headboard Quato UV printing machine, which is mainly used in printing plastic products. January 2013, to guarantee high quality, all products are authenticated by CE and Rose. May 2013, passed the ISO 9001 quality system certification. The process of material selection, production, and delivery must be detected strictly to meet customers' requirement. Our company constantly carries independent design and development, as well as management standards to ensure the best guarantee in high quality and service. The company is sincerely looking forward to cooperation with you in 3 aspects: high quality, competitive price, and quick delivery. Let's work together and create a meaningful and lasting cooperation.